Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable ghost mode on Snapchat. So if you enable ghost mode on Snapchat, nobody can locate your location. So this really helps to keep your account private. So first you need to go to Snapchat app. Now you need to click on the top left corner on your profile. So you can see there are various options. This you need to scroll down, and now you have to tap on the sharing location. So here is a ghost mode. When enabled, your friends can't see your location and your ghost trail is clear. So you need to just tap on the button. So you have the options for how long you want to enable your ghost mode. So for 3 hours, 24 hours, and until turned off. So here I'll choose until turned off. So now you're on the ghost mode until turned off. If until turn off, you are on ghost mode. Now nobody will able to see your location until you turn off your ghost mode. Thank you very much. If you find this video useful, please share and like the video, and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.